Welcome to my channel, guys. This video is going to be about a Whirlpool Cabrio washer. The two problems that I experienced with this washer. If you do have this washer, this video is definitely going to be 100% helpful for you guys. First problem is if your washing machine is making a lot of grinding noise, or it has been making a grinding noise for a week, and then all of a sudden it stopped working, it stopped spinning. Answer to that problem is the belt at the bottom of the machine, which I will show you in a minute. I will tip the machine over and will show you. That's the first issue that I'm going to talk about in this video. And the second issue is skipping the cycles. Okay, if you're running the full wash cycle, so I have normal, quick wash, or casual, whichever wash cycle you use. If you feel like that your machine stops at 6 minutes when there's 6 minutes left, or 8 minutes left, or however much time left, but it doesn't complete the cycle, okay? It stops. Sometimes what my machine is doing, it's stopping at rinse cycle or drain cycle, okay? It goes through the wash cycle, but it stops when it comes to rinse and spin or drain and spin, okay? It stops there. And when I open my lid, I will get wet, soaking clothes. I read online a lot. People say that it's this knob, the timer, the control board needs to be replaced, okay? Which is going to cost you $300 to $400 to replace it. If you order it by yourself and then try to replace it by yourself, that's going to cost you. Control board is basically this whole board. Behind this, there's a motherboard, kind of look like the motherboard as you see in the computer. That does not need to be replaced as long as you're, it's turning on, it's lighting, and once you change the dial to a different wash cycle, as long as it's showing you the timer for all of these, that means it's working fine. It's not issue with the control board. So the issue that you will likely to have, or 100% sure that that's the only issue, is the actuator, which is also at the bottom of the machine. I'm going to tilt the machine. I'm going to show you both of those at the same times, but I just wanted to give you a quick overview of what is going on in this video. This is going to be related to the belt, how to replace the belt at the bottom of the machine, and also the actuator. Super simple to replace it, quick 2 screws. You just need to order a part from Amazon. You can find a part from anywhere from $15 to $40. If you had to call the technician for this price, for this problem, they're going to come out, they're going to charge you $97 to $100 a trip charge fee to diagnose the problem. Alright guys, as promised, I tilted the machine. I'm going to show you 2 parts, okay? First is the belt, where the belt exists. It is super simple. When you tilt the machine, you will see 2 things. One is this cover and one is this piece, motor. This is the actual actuator that you need to replace. So very simple, very simple, very simple, I'm telling you. Just the 2 screws, one is right here and one is probably on the other side. Just those 2 screws, take those off. First of all, take this cover off, okay? 2 screws on here, one is here, one is on the other side. Take the cover off, you will have access to the belt on this. That's the belt I'm talking about. That also gonna cost you only like 10-20 bucks from Amazon. Just order it, replace it, super simple to replace it, okay? Just put the belt around on both pulleys, that's it, you're done. That'll solve the grinding problem, because the grinding noise that was coming from was this cover, because the belt was grinding with this plastic cover, and it was the belt was loose. Sometimes the belt is fine, then you just tighten the screw up, tighten this bolt, and that'll tighten the belt up and will not make any more grinding noise, okay? But if your belt is worn off, yeah, then sure, you need to replace it. Take the cover off, replace the belt. Super simple. And this is the actual actuator, which gets the signal from the control board to go through different wash cycles. So it was getting a signal. That's not a problem, but it was not doing its work. So it's not going through the rinse or drain cycle. That's the only part that you need to replace, guys. Once I get the part, I will replace that. I'll show you how to replace it. But it's super simple. Like I said, just take one screw here, one on the other side, take it off, and unplug this black cable right here. I'll show you. As you can see, this black fuse, take that out, and then you should be able to just pop it out. Just super simple. And then put the new one in, put the screws back in, and then replug this cable back in. That's it, you're done. You will have a working washer again. Okay, I had a lot of questions in my head that, you know, why I bought this Whirlpool, why I didn't, you know, I wasted my money, I'm gonna get another washer, I don't want to deal with this problem. All sorts of issues or concerns were going in my head, but guys, it's not that hard. By doing this, by replacing the actuator, you will have the solution to the problem. That's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, please comment, subscribe, like, share the channel with others. If you do have any good ideas would like to share with me, please do send me a link down in the comment section below, and I would appreciate it. I will definitely watch your video and will subscribe to your channel. Let's help each other out. Peace out. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.